HubSpot tutorial. Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be quickly talking to you about HubSpot and what it does. So what is HubSpot? HubSpot is a software that's pretty powerful, not overpowering, and it seamlessly connects your data with teams and customers and does one-on-one with customers, okay? So basically, it's a bit of everything, okay? It's your marketing hub, your sales hub, you have your CRM, your sales, everything in one place, and it's pretty incredible, okay? Everything goes on in this, and trust me, it works like a charm. So first of all, it has a lot of integrations that you can get. Okay, it has a lot of security pluses as well. Then moving on, obviously you get a lot of software privileges as well. So there's Marketing Hub where you can do a lot of marketing, Sales Hub where you can do sales CRM software. You have Service Hub where you can get customer service software. Then there's content management software, operations hub, commerce hub, and a whole lot more. And then you can get an actual AI that will solve your problems throughout the platform and an app marketplace. So the pricing for this is pretty hefty. Okay, you are going to want to go through with these. Okay, make sure to get the proper pricing level for yourself. But yeah, once you get through this, the professional is for 800, the enterprise is for 3600 per month. Okay, and obviously moving on, there's stuff like sales, service, CMS, whatever you want. It works by your poison. Okay, so that's pretty much about it. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I will see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.